Sally is excused today. Elizabeth is also excused. Val here. Green. Lauren. Tim. Maj. Tom. Marina here. Dylan. Rosita here. Diesel. Blaine. Josh. Chandler here. And Ryan. All right. Today we're going to get started on pricing. I should say this indicatively. Options using Black-Scholes formula for European style options. With no dividends. This is pretty much the only case where you actually get a formula. But it'll kind of get us started. Then I'll give you guys Excel template that also allows for A, American options, and B, allows for dividends. Since this is not a derivatives class, we're not going to worry too much about where that formula comes from. Let's introduce some notation. S is current price of the underlying stock or security. K is the strike price. R is continuously compounded interest rate, which means, and let me write the time to expiration in years. Sigma equals annual volatility. Here is what we mean by this. Present value of $1 that is due in T years is equal to e to the negative R3. So if you have a regular interest rate, to figure out the continuous to compound, all you have to do is solve that equation for R. If you call this PV1, for example, let's say T is 91 days, okay? Normal APR interest rate is such that PV1 is equal to 1 over 1 plus APR times 91 over 365. So if I tell you that, then you can figure out. Let me start it. File. What was your name? Okay. Take a sit down.
What's this in with the groups?
Huh?
What's this in with the groups?
Not today, no. Did we set up the groups in this one? Oh, okay. We'll do it at the end of the class. So you're not going to do anything until next week anyway as a group. Run over comes what's that? Okay. So this is of APR to continuous comp rates. Anytime you're gonna enter interest rate for option pricing, just find out the proper interest rate for that maturity, and using this convert it into continuous to compounded rates. Because the math behind the Black-Scholes formula depends on the assumption that you can trade continuously. And because of that, we need to continue to compound the rate. But that's the only magic about it. It is the rate such that e to the negative RT gives present value of $1. All right. Now let me move this. I still want black background. With all of those. Who has heard of the options before? Some of you took classes from me, so I may have talked about them. So when I say a call option, what does that mean? Give you an example. Let me go to my Robinhood account. Right now, I'm interested in options on this thing. I already have.
Let's see back where it is.
This is a call option on Palantir Technologies, which is kind of an AI solutions kind of firm. I personally believe that those things are going to be huge over the next 2-3 years. This is a call option with a strike price of 15. That means over the next roughly 2 years, if I buy this option and I just bought it today,